I missed the cross training class.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house.
I have 30 minutes to be at the gym. I don't know, I look so... Anyways, there's no sunshine, so I just look so pale. Yeah, but I've got 30 minutes to be at the gym. I just finished morning devotion, so let's go and do my signature rush to everywhere that I need to be. So I'm still home and it's 11 past 11. I missed the cross training class, but that will not stop me from going to the gym anyway, so I'm just going to go and do a full body workout. But I really need to use the Stairmaster and treadmill because I haven't done like intense cardio like that in a really long time, so that's what I'm going to do. I've just been doing like a home workout, but I really need to utilize the Stairmaster and treadmill today, so that's what my workout is going to be based on today, cardio, and then maybe later this evening I can do my little at home 20 minutes. So I've been using Chloe Ting for the past whole year, and I kind of stopped and started, and it was really nice at the beginning of the year, but then I just got so busy down the line, and then the last 2 months I've been trying to get back into that routine, and yeah, it's just been really working for me. So I'm going to go today, do a bit of like legs, arms, back, and then more cardio on the treadmill and Stairmaster, and then later tonight I'm going to follow my workout plan for Chloe Ting's app. I'm currently doing the 20 minutes a day workout, so it's just like when you've got no time but you still want to do something. So yeah, that's the plan I'm currently doing now. I'm just waiting for my boss to be here in about 10 minutes or so, and then we can start going to the gym. And I might also go to M&S Food or Lidl. Yeah, whichever one I feel like going to, I will go. I don't need a lot, I just need vegetables for breakfast today and tomorrow, because I don't want to buy like a whole bunch. I already have broccoli and cauliflower, but I feel like I could spice it up with bean sprouts or something. We're just going to see what I get there, because I also have mushrooms at home, so I don't really know what I'm going there to get. I have prawns, so I need to get olive oil to prepare them. I have sunflower oil, but you know what? I actually need mint leaves from M&S, so that's what we're going to get, mint leaves. I'm going to see you at the gym first and then to M&S.
Whiskey warm on a brittle fun night. She was doing fine and I was doing right, falling into daydreams of our lives. I tried my best to hide feelings deep inside, starstruck in those eyes. I didn't think she knew my existence, wondering with all persistence, wondering where she gone, falling further on. Don't wanna stay, don't wanna play princess, don't fade, 'cause one day you'll be mine. Don't wanna stay, don't wanna play princess, don't don't fade, 'cause one day you'll be mine. When we met she was so perfect, walked the beach to songs that we heard of, falling into daydreams of our lives. Under the Friday lights, feelings deep inside, starstruck in those eyes. I didn't think she knew my existence, wondering with all persistence, wondering where she gone, falling further on. Don't wanna stay, don't wanna play, princess don't fade, 'cause one day you'll be mine. Don't wanna stay, don't wanna play, princess don't fade, 'cause one day you'll be mine. One day you'll be mine. One day you'll be mine. I know where you are now, but times been changing me. I could've acted different. Who knows where we'd be, or even if I cared, or even if I cared, just cared about it, or even if I cared, just cared about it, or even if I cared, just cared about it, or even if I cared, just cared about it, or even if I cared, just cared about it.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either of us at this point to sleep alone. 'Cause I don't like ending my days with you. You can waste my time if that's what you wanna do. Oh, I don't mind if all that you say is not true. No, I don't mind. I just wanna end all my days.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be it. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show, what's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso.
With my body, I can feel all the psychological phase and all the blur. I realize I'm right before my period, but I feel incredible. I feel so good, and then I have like a drop, where I feel like that.
Oh, this looks so yum. Can't wait to take a bite. So I don't know if it means anything, but this one I used mixed cheddar and mozzarella cheese, and these two are just regular shredded mozzarella cheese because I ran out of this pack. This was the old pack I used for the cheese, and then when I ran out I used my new pack, which is mozzarella and cheddar cheese mixed. So
I don't know if it's going to affect the taste, but color wise it looks so rich compared to the others. I don't know if I should still put this in a little more just to brown. I'll just leave it for like 5 minutes and then see what happens. Hopefully I don't ruin this. Definitely should have left it like that, but not too bad actually. Still edible. I'll just have to scrape off the edges so I'm not eating burnt food. But it's nice. Let's go and eat. I'm so hungry.